Okay, so organizational levels, pampadagdag lang. Okay, so isang organization, meron tayong hierarchy. Ano? So pinakamataas daw dito ay yung top managers based dito sa sa module. So meron tayo dito top managers, middle managers, and knowledge workers, supervisors, and team leaders, and operational employees. So, tingnan natin kung anong pagkakaiba nila. So top managers, okay, develop long-range plans which define the company's overall mission and goals. Okay, siya pala yung pinakamataas ngayon. Pero sabi dito, ang top managers ay in a corporate structure, the top managers report to a board of directors elected by the company shareholders. So, kung may mas mataas pa based dun sa corporate structure. Pag corporate yung pinag-uusapan. Pero dito, sa top managers tayo, okay, siya nagde-develop ng mga plano, no, long range plans. And siya din siguro yung top manager ask questions. How much should the company invest in information technology? Siya ba ang nagpaplano ba siya, or siya din ang tawag doon, de-decide, Okay, so top managers focus on the overall business enterprise and use IT to set the company's course and direction. Okay. Siguro pag nagre-report din sila, sa board of directors din yung mismong de-decide, kung may major na changes sa company. Okay, so middle managers. So sunod ay middle managers and knowledge workers. So managers din siya, pero medyo mas mababa syempre sa top managers. So middle managers provide direction, SR resources, and performance feedback to supervisors and team leaders. Okay, siya pala yung nagko-communicate din sa mas mababa syempre, no? Performance feedback to supervisors and team leaders. Kaya yata meron ding kasama ng middle managers ang knowledge workers. Kasi itong knowledge workers, sasabihin dito sa middle managers. Kasi itong knowledge workers ay include professional staff members, system analysts, programmers, accountants, researchers, trainers, and human resource specialists. So siguro itong knowledge workers makikipag-communicate dito sa middle managers. And then itong middle managers, siya naman yung magpo-provide ng feedback sa supervisors and team leaders. Okay. So, dito sila. Mas mababa ang supervisor dito sa middle managers. So, often called team leaders, oversee operational of employees and carry out day-to-day functions. Okay. Parang nagsusupervise nga ng mga yung mga employees, operational employees. Need decision support information. Like other managers, supervisors, and team leaders need decision support information, knowledge management systems, and user to carry out their responsibilities. Meron nga pala dito iba't ibang information systems. Meron sinatawag na decision support. Siguro yung nagde-decide Then nagde-decide kasi yung mga executive. Operational employees include users who rely on transaction processing systems to enter and receive data that they need to perform their jobs. Okay, sila yung mga operational employees. Kuwari siguro pag nasa isang mall, sila ba yung operational employees? Yung mga cashier siguro. And ano pa ba? Siguro yun lang naman sa organizational levels.